Good morning, students. Haloalkenes and haloarenes reactions with the metals. Most organic chlorides, bromides, iodides react with certain metals to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. Such compounds are called organometallic compounds. An important class of organometallic compounds was discovered by Victor Grignard, which are called as alkyl magnesium halides, which we call it as Grignard's reagent. Alkyl magnesium halides, which we call RMgX, which we call it as Grignard's reagent. This reagent is obtained by the reaction of a haloalkene with magnesium in presence of dry ether. For example, ethyl bromide, when treated with the magnesium in presence of dry ether, ethyl magnesium bromide, alkyl magnesium bromide, or Grignard reagent is obtained. We have studied this already. Now look at the structure of this ethyl magnesium bromide or a Grignard reagent. Here we can see carbon magnesium bond is present. Actually, this carbon magnesium bond, this is covalent in nature. We have studied about what is covalency and what is ionic nature. Since this is covalent and moreover magnesium is an electropositive metal, this carbon will be having a partial negative charge and magnesium will be having a partial positive charge. Then the metal halogen bond, this is highly ionic. So magnesium will be having a partial positive charge here again, and halogen will be having a partial negative charge. Then what happens when a Grignard reagent is treated with the water? What happens is an alkane will be obtained. RH means the concerned alkane will be obtained along with the basic magnesium halide or MgOH. So it is advisable to keep Grignard reagents in moisture-proof container. Otherwise, Grignard reagent reacts with the water to form concerned alkane. Next comes Woods reaction. Another name reaction, Woods reaction. This reaction also we have already studied in 11th standard. The reaction of an alkyl halide in ether solution with the metallic sodium forming higher paraffins. That is called Woods reaction. Here, for example, RX, two molecules combining with metallic sodium in ether medium to form RR. That is an alkane with the NaX, sodium halide. Next, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. This question is also asked 1 or 2 times for the board examination. What is the reason alkyl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? We can discuss the point one by one here. First one is due to resonance effect. So consider this example of chlorobenzene. We know chlorine has got a lone pair of electron. Atomic number of chlorine is 17, so 287. So these electrons are entering into conjugation with the benzene ring. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write 5 resonance structures for fluorobenzene like this. I hope that now you are thorough with how to write a resonance structures. So if you observe this structure, we can see that a double bond is formed over here. Please have a look at this resonance structure. You can see a double bond is formed. The CCl bond get a partial double bond character due to the resonance. As a result, the bond cleavage in haloarene is very difficult than haloalkane, and therefore they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the first point due to resonance. Now, second point, difference in hybridization of carbon atom with carbon atom in a CX bond. Difference in hybridization. Now, look at the structure of a haloarene. We know that carbon is here, so it is bonded to one halogen, so CX bond, and actually this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and the C here are CH2X, and this carbon is sp3 hybridized. The sp2 hybridized carbon that will be having great S character. The sp2 hybridized carbon will be having more S character, and hence it is more electronegative and can hold the electron pairs of CX bond more tightly than sp3 hybridized carbon. This is the reason CCl bond length in haloalkane is 177 picometer, while in a haloarene it is 169 picometer. So it is very difficult to break a bond. I mean a shorter bond than a longer bond, and hence haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that is point number 2. Next, point number 3. Point number 3 is instability of phenyl cation. Instability of phenyl cation. In the case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation obtained by the self-ionization is not stabilized by resonance, and hence SN1 mechanism is ruled out here. So that is about point number 3. And point number 4, because of possible repulsion, it is less likely for the electron-rich nucleophile to approach electron-rich arenes. So like poles repulse and unlike poles attract. So it is because of this repulsion. That is the fourth point.